Hi everyone, this is Ashley, and I'm doing a little lesson today on teaching about derivation. So first in this lesson plan here, um, we have the word civility. So with this picture, you can kind of tell what the word means. It's kind of about being respectful with people and working well with people. Um, so that is described as civility. And now, focusing on this word, we can see that civility is an adjective. You describe a situation with this word. And so if we kind of break it down when it comes to derivation, you can see that the ITY here is a common ending in English. So if we were to break up the word like civil plus ity or adjective plus ity, you can see that the word is really a noun. And so if we kind of break up this word, right, grammatically the word means a state or condition with adjective qualities. So yeah, so just like this is a noun, the word civil, and because of that ity ending, it's got an adjective quality. So can anyone think of more words like this? And so also you can see here, I have a few answers after getting some student responses first, such as scarcity, humility, spirituality, vanity, serenity, and equality. Going on to the next word, we have the word simplify. And so this word, like you can see that the meaning describes the situation where it's very complicated, detailed, and to simplify, we clear a good path with nothing, no details, no crazy, this is very simple. So the word simplify is an adjective, just like the last word. And so if you can see too, we can change the word to simple, and the ify is an ending. And so if we do adjective plus the ify ending, it makes this word a verb. So the meaning of the word, an act of making something adjective. So you're acting to make it simple, in other words. So what are some more words that we can come up with that have that ify ending? After a few student responses, here's a few words that I have come up with. We have the words purify, falsify, intensify, amplify, justify, and clarify. They all have that same grammatical structure. So now further into the lesson, we have a worksheet where the students can work more on this breakdown to work on some derivation. So here's my part of the lesson to teach derivation. Thank you.